ever-increasing competitive environments, businesses are constantly under pressure to provide good quality products and services, but at lower prices. This means that companies need to run as efficiently as possible and ensure that their income still exceeds their costs to make a profit. Cost clerks investigate and calculate the cost of operating expenses involved in manufacturing a product or delivering a service to customers. For example, cost clerks in manufacturing companies record the materials, equipment, labor, and other costs used in producing products. Service companies, such as plumbers and tax practitioners, rely on cost clerks for accurate information on the number of hours that staff have spent working for a client. To obtain the data for these calculations, they use records such as time and production sheets, payrolls, operations charts, price lists from suppliers, and staff schedules. Cost clerks need to have an understanding of the relationship between sales and costs. They work with the sales team to ensure that prices quoted to potential new clients or discounted prices offered to existing clients are higher than the costs involved to provide the products or services to them. This involves investigating expected costs and evaluating quotes from suppliers. They assist in preparing documentation which depicts total costs, selling prices, and profits. Cost clerks work closely with accounts payable clerks to ensure that invoices are coded correctly to jobs or projects so that all expenses are easy to track. When it is time to invoice clients, cost clerks run cost reports showing all of the expenses involved with a project. They verify accuracy and then pass the reports to accounts payable clerks. They sometimes monitor the materials, labor, and other costs attributed to a project and compare them to the initial budgets and estimates. Occasionally, they may be asked to run reports for project managers and other executives to monitor income versus costs. This information assists management to identify areas for possible growth or expansion. It also helps to determine if a product or service should be discontinued. As members of the accounting department, cost clerks play an important role in the goal of keeping costs down and revenues as high as possible. They need to look out for risks which may affect a company's profit and bring these to management's attention. Financial skills, an analytical mind, and a professional attitude are important in this job. Cost clerks must have good attention to detail and have the ability to work with people in numerous different departments.